How did you even get it in there and whatnot?
Fit. Just the only trouble was the transmission. The Viper transmission was a real bugger because
it has a Viper transmission in there.
Yeah, 6-speed Viper transmission.
Yeah.
So, like we had to cut the transmission tunnel, open it up, weld the section in there.
Yeah.
All the front end had to be re-engineered because so we put a rack and pinion in with QA1 suspension and everything.
Yeah.
But no, nice driving car. It's really nice to drive.
That's crazy. How long did it take you to build?
We've started 10 years ago. We did we had it on the road after a couple of years, but just been adding things. Not much we can do on it anymore. It's just
Yeah. Oh, so basically it's done, eh?
Yeah.
That's fair.
We like fixing them up. Actually, I like fixing them up more than driving them. I don't know if you've seen the 71 Mach 1 down there in Grabber Lime.
Oh, yeah, okay.
I did that one. I just sold it to them in the spring.
Nice.
We kind of do one every year kind of thing. This one we've kept.
What year's the Charger? Like that?
It's a 72.
It's a 72.
Yeah.
And how'd you get this Charger?
We bought that in the States. It was just didn't have a motor or transmission. That's why we.
Oh, so already half the work was done.
Yeah.
Or a quarter of the work was done.
Well, what the hell? We'll just work on it from there. But no, it's a fun project. Yeah. There's only one of them, so.
Oh, there's literally up there. The first thing that came to my mind was that's a Restomod.
Yeah.
That is because everyone. What's the typical one? 6.1.
Yeah.
I think there's a Dakota up there with a 392.
Yep.
The white one.
Thanks.
And then, but you don't see. This is the first time I've seen a Viper motor.
Right. Yeah.
Holy.
Yeah, they're not easy to come by, but.
Any work done to the Viper motor?
Tune.
Okay.
We got like different exhaust and stuff like that, but the tune. You put it on the cartridge into the computer port there and drive it, and then you send it back.
Yeah.
After it really goes now.
Yeah. I bet it's good because it's like electronic, electronic ignition, right? Rather than a carbureted one.
Yeah. Oh yeah, everything's. It's like Restomod is new stuff with old, like an old car. So I mean, it drives really nice too with the rack and pinion and everything.
Yeah, 100%. Yeah. Power steering and everything.
Yep.
Yeah, the whole thing.
Brakes, got the Willwood brakes on
Willwoods.
Forward disc brakes.
Yeah.
And then we put the instead of using the vacuum, we didn't have much room in the engine compartment, so we put in this power boost.
Power
from a
right.
minivan.
Yeah.
The brakes run from the hydraulics.
Oh, right. Okay.
So really good brakes.
Yeah. What was the worst part of this build? Like the absolute took the most time.
Again, like I said, trying to fit it in. You kept having to take it out and put it back in. Take it out, put it back in. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
To see where it doesn't fit.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. We've got some problems there.
I guess you have to modify the drive shaft as well.
Oh yeah, we had to get that made.
Yeah.
And, but yeah, I mean every piece on the car is either new or we play, But hey, fun project. It's father and son thing. I painted it. And,
yeah, is that the original purple? Or is that like Plum Crazy?
That's Plum Crazy, but it's from a 2010.
Okay.
The one's down there.
Right there, yeah.
Crazy Pearl.
Pearl.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
So,
How long did it take you to paint?
Oh, the paint?
Yeah.
Oh, that paint.
That was easy one,
quick.
Yeah.
It's just getting it ready for paint that takes all the time.
Yeah. What's the rear end on it?
We put in a 373, but probably could have been a 350.
Yeah.
Because like 70 miles an hour, you're doing about 1,300 RPM on the highway.
Wow, yeah.
So it's almost idling.
100%.
So I don't know how fast it's geared to go, but
the
tires would probably blow up before you got the full speed.
No, exactly. How much horsepower do you think you're pumping around?
Well, stock is 505. Mm-hmm. So I think the guy tuning place said we're closer to 600 now.
There you go.
But and the torque is the same with the 10-cylinder. They get crazy torque.
But also too, it's probably because it's a fairly heavy car, right? No, it's not.
200 pounds from the factory.
It's lighter than those things.
Yeah. Oh, jeez.
Hey?
My wife's car. It's like
nice.
It's freaking 4,000 pounds.
Right.
Those things.
I know. Yeah.
It's so much more electronics and all that crap. These are simple.
Yes.
And
yeah,
the
yeah.
engine actually weighs less than the original engine.
Really?
And there was a 400.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, right.
It's
yeah.
all aluminum V10.
Yeah, yeah.
So
That's crazy. This is an awesome build.
thanks.
This is great. This is great. Good
Yeah.
job, sir.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah. You don't drive it in the winter, do you?
No.
No?
No, you can't even drive it in the rain. I got these drag radials.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And coming back from the Dream Cruise run one year, we almost killed the family.
Oh,
because
shit.
we're driving along, and all of a sudden, this freak rainstorm came out of nowhere.
Yeah, yeah.
It just picked up, and I was kind of going sideways at 70 miles an hour on I-75.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
I just pushed in the clutch and let it slow down.
Yeah, yeah. And that's a manual too.
Oh, yeah.
It's a manual.
Yeah, yeah.
And it's a different world. Manual is a different world, man.
Yeah, you start losing it, the first thing
Yeah.
you do is push in that clutch.
Yeah.
Otherwise, the rear tires are working against you.
Yeah. Have you taken it to the track at all?
The drag strip?
Yeah, yeah.
No.
Technically, you don't need to, right?
Yeah, like I said, my son raced a guy out in Leamington on a closed road.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
It was a Chevelle SS with a supercharged LS3.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And my son beat him by a bus. Actually, just taken off, he was
Yeah.
a bus length ahead.
Well, the thing is, your setup from the motor,
Yeah.
the transmission, and then the rear end
Right.
is really like good top speed highway killer,
Oh, yeah.
right? Yeah, 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 yeah.
Yeah, it really takes off from the light.
Yeah.
But and the drag radios, they help too.
Yeah. Well, awesome. Thank you, sir.
Oh,
Appreciate
no
it.
problem. You have a good one.
You too. Take care. Awesome build. Oh, look at that shifter. Wow. Purple. It's got the Viper at the freaking hood. They got bees everywhere. Whoa. Dude, it's a Viper motor in here. Oh, that's a Restomod if I've ever seen one. That's cool.
That's pretty fucking sick.
Whoa.
I'll show you a picture of that 47 Ford. Yeah, this one says Ford line lawyer.
Sir, is this your ride?
Yeah, my son and I restored it.
That is phenomenal. That the Viper motor, eh? What year is that? Viper motor.
2004 Viper engine.
2004 Viper engine?
Yeah.
Okay, that's awesome.